Here's my 1-minute introduction to the Luraco i9 Max Plus Special Edition Massage Chair. What makes the Luraco chairs, especially the Special Edition, so unique? These are the features. Number one, they're the only chairs made in America. Don't let anybody tell you any different. The chair has a full leather upholstery and it's warranted for 10 years. It has arm rollers, calf rollers, foot rollers. It has sliding armrests. So these armrests, where there's a button on the side you can push and it'll open up left and right armrests for you to get in easier. If you're older or if you have terrific back pain and you don't have good balance, it's a great way to get into the chair. You also have a memory function. You can create your own programs and memorize them, and the chair remembers them up to 5 different users. And the chair is a split track. It has a SL track going up and down, but it's split here into 2 separate tracks. The lower track has 4 rollers. The top track has 2 rollers. And those are the primary things that make the Luraco i9 Special Edition very unique. I hope you found this video helpful. I'm Dr. Alan Weidner from Massage Chair Relief, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.